2026 season is upon us, and I strive once again to get that handicap down. The upward trend for the last 6 years in particular has been pretty scary. You'll see that in the figures shortly. Um, 26.4, it's embarrassing. So, as a senior golfer, I'm doing my best to get it down. And despite the wet weather and poor conditions, I've actually ended up taking an early range session this year to get the clubs dialed in and decide on what woods and irons I'm going to use over the course of the season, particularly the early season. So it's about getting the swing going and getting the distances sorted, and let's try and bust that handicap and get the bugger down again.